China's President Xi Jinping has a dream, or you could call it a pet project. He wants to revive China's ancient Silk Road. That means spurring trade along the 2,000-year-old routes via a network of railways, ports, pipelines, and highways. The Silk Road project is supposed to boost development and deepen economic ties across Central Asia, but critics see it as a way for China to spread its influence further west. So here's the situation. The original Silk Road began as a trade route that stretched from central China as far as Europe. In its heyday, silk, spices, and porcelain were transported to the west. Today, Xi wants to use steel and other materials from China's overproducing factories to improve infrastructure along the route. Typical plans include the development of ports in Malaysia and Tanzania or highways in Pakistan and Tajikistan. To help bankroll Xi's dream, also known as the One Belt, One Road Initiative, the Chinese government created the $40 billion Silk Road Fund. Xi has said more than 30 countries signed formal agreements with China, and 20 more were cooperating on plans such as railways and nuclear power. But partner nations are weighing economic benefits against an increasingly dominant superpower's demands. A deal for a rail project in Thailand fell through because, according to Thailand, there were strings attached, namely China demanding commercial property rights. Now here's the argument. China says the Silk Road Initiative is a way to boost industrialization in the developing nations sandwiched between East and West. Economists agree that the initiative has the potential to stimulate Asian and global economic growth. But there are also risks, like funds not going where they're supposed to in a region beset by corruption, and long-shot developments turning into white elephants. There's also concern about China's increasingly assertive military, particularly in Asia's waters.